Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to organize, analyze, and store information. It's been around since 1985 and is probably the most widely used spreadsheet program. One of the issues, though, with Excel for many users is that it has so many functions and features, it can be intimidating, especially for a new user. The goal of this class is to teach you how to understand and use some of the most basic but commonly used functions in Excel. In this class, you will learn how to create and save spreadsheets, enter data into tables and then format those tables, enter basic functions to calculate values from the cells in the table, and use functions such as sum, average, and count to compute information from the tables, and much, much more. One learner commented, "This class was excellent. Great overview of what Excel is capable of." If you're interested in learning about how to use Excel, I hope you'll sign up for the class, meet other users, and become part of our lifelong learning community at Get Set Up.